Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to use parental control in Amazon Prime Video. In order to use parental control in Amazon Prime Video, you can follow these steps. First thing first, you could set a Prime Video account PIN. Now, setting an account PIN prevents other from changing the parental control making purchases or bypassing restrictions without the PIN. So what you want to do is actually open your profile section, and then you just want to click on the profile initials at the top, or just click on settings. When you go to the settings section, here you want to go to permission section. Here it is. Now what you want to do is, under permission, you want to enter your Amazon password, or you could just go ahead and click on purchase restriction, and here you could go ahead and set your Amazon password, after which you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you'll be able to use parental control in Amazon Prime Video. Similarly, you could also go with other options, as you could see, Amazon maturity rating, change pin, and all that stuff. You could do this, and that is also one of the way to use Prime parental control in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.